Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to share mobile hotspot Motorola phone to any Android device. Friends, you want to share mobile hotspot your phone to any another phone, so how to share and how to use this setting today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on hotspot setting. Friends, click on Wi-Fi hotspot and get on your mobile hotspot to share. After on guys, you can see your mobile hotspot icon on your status bar, and friends will click on this QR code guys. We will tap here and friends share hotspot. Friends, you want to share hotspot, so you can share. So guys, I will connect this hotspot on my Oppo mobile guys, this mobile guys, and I will click on Wi-Fi, and guys I will on Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting I will refresh. Friends, you can see Motorola mobile hotspot is here. So guys, without enter password I will connect guys. I will scan this QR code first. Friends, you can see Motorola mobile guys, I have connected this also hotspot. Friends, you can check hotspot device name Motorola mobile. And guys, I can connect with password also guys. I will remove this network first guys, you can see. And guys, now I will click on Motorola phone device name here, and guys I can check password from here guys. Password is 1234 1234 guys, 077 664 and tap. Friends, you can see you can connect with password, and friends you can connect with QR code guys, and you can use this hotspot mobile hotspot on your phone. And guys, when you will off from here guys, you cannot use your mobile hotspot on this phone. Friends, you can see guys, we cannot use it. So like that guys, we can share mobile hotspot guys Motorola phone to any Android device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to use mobile hotspot setting on Motorola phone. And guys, now you will on, and guys now you can connect this mobile hotspot on your Android phone. Friends, you can see connected, and friends now I can use this mobile hotspot. And guys, when I will off from here guys mobile hotspot guys, now I cannot use mobile hotspot on my this phone. Friends, you can see no connection. So like that guys, we can use this hotspot setting on Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.